I don't know why I don't like that, Miss Ryan. I don't know why these people are like this. Setting off the big ones in their backyard. I'll make it through the night, I promise. You do your slow licks and so you can calm down. You do the licky lick. Oh yes, good girl. Oh, she's a good girl. Yeah. It's a good girl. Put your collar on you just in case you just don't get you busted out a window or something. Yeah, your little legs are so cute. Do the little leg. Yeah. I don't know why you do that. Oh, they're cute. Cute. So cute. Okay. Pet your ears because you're hearing all the loud noise. Yeah. Boop. He ran. Oh, goodness. Yeah, okay. Okay. You're so needy now. Now you're just living it up. You're just living it up.